back to Angie's table. Today we will be making rosé tteokbokki, and we have made this before on our channel. It's actually one of our more popular recipe videos. I decided to put a little spin on it. So I love tteokbokki. We do a lot of tteokbokki recipes on our channel because I noticed that you guys really like it. Rosé tteokbokki used to be, probably still is, really trendy and popular both in Korea and just all across the world. I love ordering this when I eat Korean fried chicken. It's just a really good combination. Today's rosé tteokbokki, I did put a little spin on it so it's not too identical to the one that I've presented to you guys before. I'm adding in a secret ingredient that will probably be something that you guys would never have imagined me put in. My previous recipe had mini sausages in it, but this time I'm opting that out for some chadol or beef brisket. And we will also be adding in wide glass noodles. And I have been really liking wide glass noodles these days, and I do think that it's pretty popular in Korea as well. So let's just jump right in and check out these ingredients. So to begin with, I'm gonna have the rice cake submerged in a tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and a cup of water. We're gonna actually cook this on low heat for about 10 minutes so that it soaks up that sugar and salt, and it's not just a bland rice cake flavor, but it has a little bit of seasoning. Then let's make the chadol, which is beef brisket. It's really thinly sliced beef brisket. You can find it at a Korean grocery store. Tteokbokki is just one of those foods that is so prominent in probably every Korean childhood or memories because it's just one of the easier and cheaper options that was there for either parent or whoever to just make for them. And growing up, we did eat a lot of tteokbokki. I like the fish cakes than the duck. Or like sometimes my aunt will throw in some cabbage or onions. Gendip is also good in it, which is perilla leaves. I would actually go for more of those side and the veggies than the actual rice cake. Overall, it's just super popular and I think one of the more staple foods of Korea. Drain the liquid out and leave this aside. This can be cut up in any shape or size you guys like. I just like those diagonal triangles, like this. So the noodles that I was talking about in the intro is this. It's really wide and transparent. This is like their Korean version of wider vermicelli noodles. So this recipe today is actually more, I would say, spicy than the previous one. So in the previous one, we had some marinara sauce that went in, so it was a little bit more Americanized. This one is a little bit more spicy because it's literally just gochujang and some heavy whipping cream. Just be mindful of that. If you guys can't handle sauce too well, the other recipe is also extremely good. But today's recipe is just a little different because I decided to do a spin-off, but try both of it out and let us know which one you guys like. Then after a minute, add in the rice cake, soy sauce, sugar, water. So my secret ingredient is sweet chili sauce. You can find this anywhere. I do like the Trader Joe's brand, which is why we are using that today. This will add the perfect amount of sugar and that honey sticky texture to the tteokbokki. And a little bit of garlic. Do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 돌잔치, which means first birthday party. Ella's first birthday is coming up and we are so excited. Grace is doing so much prep for this day. Like, she's just doing a lot. She's even getting her flowers from her wedding to do Ella's first birthday party, which I think is a little crazy. In Korea, the first birthday means so much, and you just do this huge party and there's a lot of food, and you do have an event where the child gets to pick their future. So you lay all these things in front of them and then they go for whatever they want to pick. So for example, sometimes there are golf balls, basketball, soccer ball, things like that, and that will signify that they will become an athlete of some sort. And then you have the judge's gavel, meaning that they will go into like the law field, or you also have a mic, which is, you know, they'll do some sort of entertainment industry type thing. Grace, my dad, and I were bored one day, so we laid it out and she went for the mic. And Grace was like, oh no! Like, she just did not like that. Today's word of the day is 돌잔치, which means first birthday party. Once it comes to a boil, add in heavy whipping cream, leaving about 2 tablespoons for later. And add in your cooked white noodles as well. Stir this well and continue to cook on medium heat. Add more water if needed at this point and season with salt if needed. Doesn't it look so good?
I love the color.
We are just about done cooking everything and we will be enjoying it with my mom's kimbap because she made us some tuna mayo kimbap. We're just gonna dip it with the tteokbokki sauce.
A few moments later.
You're supposed to dunk it. Ah! And this is something that all Koreans do. It just tastes so good when you do this. Either this or like anything that's fried, whether it's shrimp or tonkatsu, whatever it is. It's just so good with that tteokbokki sauce. Add the chadol to the middle. And this is where we're gonna use that 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream that I told you to set aside. We're gonna drizzle it on top like a little spiral and green onions on top. And we're gonna stick some dumplings on the sides of the tteokbokki. Enjoy it with my mom's kimbap. Okay, let us eat now. This looks phenomenal. I cannot wait.
Can't wait for the noodles. It's so good. This noodle's so good. Wow. So good. I love this sauce.
What about the chadol? Do you like this recipe better than the other one?
Yeah.
I think I do too. It's more Korean.
The other one is really good. But I feel like this is a little bit more less nooky.
The dog is so good.
Yeah, dog is really good. I love the noodle.
This is so good.
I think this noodle is literally the perfect addition. Let's see your big piece.
Oh, sorry. Okay. You're supposed to dunk it. Ah! Whoopsies. Let me take each one out again.
This is my favorite tteokbokki
This is my favorite tteokbokki too.
ever.
Me too.
I just had BBQ chickens. Rosé. Doesn't compare.
Really, really need to try this out. Like the best tteokbokki I've ever had in my life. So, oh, she's copying me. She's like, in my life. I hope you guys like this video. Please try it out. Let us know how you like it in the comment section. It is delicious. The only thing is, it's actually a little spicy, so you can reduce the gochujang based on your taste preference. And we'll see you guys on our next video.
Bye, Ella. Say bye. Okay, we got one.